Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with a new launched product review, and you guys already know from the title itself. So I'm going to talk about Garnier's Vitamin C Serum, which is amazing, which is new, and trust me, I have so many good things to share about this product. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So first let's talk about the packaging. As you can see, this is a glass packaging, glass bottle with a dropper, which is super hygienic, and I really like this kind of packaging. And you guys already know how much a big fan I am for vitamin C, so I had to talk about this product. And you can already see in this packaging, this is like a transparent bottle, so you know how much product you are using, how much is left in this, which is a plus point again. It is super convenient because of the dropper, and it retails for 449 rupees, which is quite affordable for a vitamin C serum. Now the formula of this product is very non-oily, non-greasy, and it absorbs into your skin like amazingly. It's super lightweight. You won't even feel that you are wearing something. Like really good for people who has oily skin, but I guess this is for all skin type because it gives you a very glowing and youthful look after applying this. So the key ingredients of this product is Yuzo lemon and even 30x booster of vitamin C, which is like a plus point. You really don't need much more than what you are getting, and vitamin C is really amazing for your skin. It definitely works for your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, any scar from pimples, or any scar which is like from your any acne mark which is like very stubborn on your skin and not going. Trust me, it really works, and it takes only 3 days. You'll see the difference in your skin. Like you can see all the blemishes, all the dark spots are getting lighter just in 3 days. And I totally agree with it because I did use this for a couple of days now, and I can definitely tell you, like after plucking my eyebrows, like I do it on my own, I got so many rashes over here, and this product like really worked. I used this religiously 2 times a day, like morning and evening. After cleansing my face with the Garnier micellar water, I just used this one product, and I don't have any redness over here or even any mark. So I can totally assure you this product will work wonderful for your scars, pimple marks, any kind of dark spots or even rashes. Now the claim of this product is like very simple, but it's 100% true. What I already told you, like this gives amazing glow to your skin, like just instantly, and it works within 3 days. Just 3 days. And I can tell you this, like it did not even take 3 days for me, like 1 day was enough. Just after plucking this area, as I said, it was like red and I could see rashes, and I applied this, it was just vanish in just one night. So yes, if they are claiming 3 days, it is 100% true. So now, as we already know about this product, let me use it and show you what I mean by instant glow. I did use this religiously, that's why I can say this. So yeah, here you can just take some product and just pour it in your finger right here. I go with a little bit extra because I really like that hydration into my skin, and just dab it on your skin. And this is just going to absorb into my skin in just couple of minutes. You can just see that. So yeah, you can see that glow already. Like I don't even have a mirror, so that's why I'm looking at my viewfinder. But yeah, you can see that glow. It instantly gives that glow into your skin, and you can see the shine. It looks so nice and it is already absorbed into my skin. I can't feel anything, but yeah, this shine, this glow, I really love it. And I'm sure everybody of you are going to agree with this, how lightweight and wonderful this serum is. So you can already see it's not greasy. I don't feel greasy. It is super lightweight, as I said, and it is perfect for the humid weather. Like in Kolkata, it is too humid over here. Like, it's even raining, but it is humid, so you can understand what kind of weather it is, and we need that kind of moisturization plus non-greasy formula, which is just there in this little bottle right here. And I highly recommend this product. You can use this day and night and get this glowing skin and even get rid of all the dark spots which it claims, and it's going to protect your skin from all the UV rays. And you guys already know vitamin C is rich with antioxidant, which is perfect for our skin. So I really want you guys to go and get your hands on this, and if you're looking for an affordable vitamin C, this is your thing, girl. So go and get your hands on this. To buy this product, you can check out the link in my description box. It's very inexpensive, like 449 rupees is nothing, guys, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this serum and you'll be thanking me later on. So yeah, I already know this, so go get your hands on this. So I hope you guys found this video informative and interesting. So if you enjoyed this review, let me know in the comment section below, and even like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, and yeah, that's it. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.